Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on a web browser. First, understand that there isn't an official web-based version of Geometry Dash. However, many dedicated fans have created playable versions or emulators that you can find online. These unofficial options allow you to experience the game without needing to download the full application, offering a quick way to jump into the action. To find a playable version, simply search online for Geometry Dash Online or Geometry Dash Unblocked. You'll find various websites hosting these fan-made games. It's best to stick to reputable fan communities or established game portals to ensure a safer experience. Always be cautious of sites that ask you to download files or provide personal details, as these could be risky. When playing online, expect some differences from the official game. Web versions typically offer a more limited selection of levels, focusing on core gameplay. Your experience might also vary depending on your internet speed and the browser you are using, so a stable connection is key. Additionally, saving your game progress might not be an option on all unofficial platforms. For the best online Geometry Dash experience, use a modern and updated web browser. This helps ensure smoother performance and better compatibility with the game. A stable internet connection is also crucial to avoid lag and interruptions during your gameplay. Remember, these are fan-made versions, so manage your expectations regarding features and stability. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.